Apple is under fire. The technology giant headed to the High Court today, where the 9 justices will hear arguments as part of an antitrust lawsuit over the company's App Store policies. The suit accuses Apple of breaking federal antitrust laws by monopolizing the market for iPhone apps, causing consumers to pay more than they actually should. Apple urging the Supreme Court to dismiss the lawsuit, arguing the case threatens the e-commerce industry. Joining us right now is Fox News senior judicial analyst Judge Andrew Napolitano. Judge,
good morning.
Good to see you.
Morning. A belated happy Thanksgiving. So I took out my iPhone. Here's what the argument is about. You like all these apps that we have. You buy them from the people that you got the iPhone from, Apple, rather than buying them from another place. So this is an odd antitrust lawsuit. It doesn't say you're overcharging. It doesn't say you caused me to lose money. It doesn't say you're unfairly competing against me, because the complainants here are the consumers who say, we love the iPhone, we just want to be able to get apps from another source. To which Apple says, then go get that other person's iPhone, which of course doesn't exist. So it's interesting. This was filed in California, in San Francisco. Apple lost. Apple lost at the Ninth Circuit. Apple here, the Supreme Court, asked the Supreme Court to take the case. You have to get permission for the Supreme Court to take your case. There's no automatic right to appeal. Supreme Court said, yes, we'll hear it before Justice Kavanaugh joined. I think Justice Kavanaugh is a vote for Apple, and I think Apple will prevail.
Can you buy apps somewhere else and use them on your iPhone?
I don't know, and I haven't tried that. But
I don't know where else to buy apps, do you?
But according to the lawsuit, the answer to your question is no.
Well, that's the point.
And they want to be able to buy apps elsewhere. So you buy a General Motors car, you want to be able to get a tire from Ford and put it on the car. That's the analogy.
Right.
It's a rough analogy.
I understand it.
But that's what the argument of the consumers, to which Apple says, you aren't harmed. You love our products and you use them. We haven't cost you a nickel, and we haven't harmed you.
But another app seller is harmed.
Yes, but that person's not suing. So Apple's saying the wrong person's in court, Mitch.
And that's what I'm saying. What's the remedy here? Let's say the plaintiffs prevail. Would that create a new cottage industry for third-party app distributors?
Yes, it probably would. And their argument is, the plaintiff's argument is, that's better for the economy because competition improves the product. And if there were more app stores, I guess we wouldn't call them app stores because it wouldn't be an iPhone.
Third party. It would be an app on your phone that's a third-party app store.
Correct. That would create more. That would create more commerce, and that would generate more wealth.
But I don't. But Apple, why couldn't Apple argue that this is our phone, this is our system? If you don't want to use an iPhone, then don't.
Go buy an Android.
Go buy an Android phone.
Correct.
Or go buy another phone.
That argument is being made before the Supreme Court when the oral argument is made today, and that argument was made and lost in the district court and lost in the circuit court. But Apple has an entirely different audience now in the Supreme Court, and they're going to make that argument
because they could come back and say, well, look, Apple has the dominant position in the market. So I don't want to buy another phone. I want to buy Apple. They have the dominant position, but can the dominant position also offer different apps from a different company?
So but they actually aren't the biggest phone seller in the world.
Right.
They're not
so
anywhere near the largest. So they're not worldwide.
They're not flat.
Right.
Yeah. But in the U.S., I think they're largest in the U.S., though.
How many apps are there?
And maybe
probably about 350,000. It's almost inconceivable if there's something that you want that's not in there. But that's not the point of this.
I think it's interesting,
the point of this, will the system tolerate, will it accept an app from another source? Answer no.
Right, and the answer is no.
I think it's interesting to see if this is going to have impact on the reputation of Apple, because this is another piece of the narrative that says Apple isn't on the side of the consumer.
Let me tell you an odd thing in the case. The Justice Department weighed in, and the Justice Department filed an amicus brief on the side of Apple. Very unusual. So the Justice Department, whose job it is to monitor antitrust violations, is saying, we don't see one here.
Okay.